hop, yellow like a lemon drop, orange like the ball we like to throw, purple like the plum that starts to grow, pink like the piggy in the farm, brown like a teddy in my arms. Colors, colors all around, in our toys where fun is found. Let's all sing and dance along, in our rainbow world we're strong. Red like the apple, crunchy and sweet, blue like the jeans on my feet, green like the grass under my toes, yellow like the sunshine glow. Let's mix and match, let's create, all these colors make us great. Learning colors, oh so fun, in our rainbow world everyone. Yellow like a lemon drop, orange like a ball we like to throw, purple like a plum that starts to grow, pink like the piggy in the farm, brown like the teddy in my arms. Colors, colors